Hi, this video is about how to create this plaster ceiling that consists of few layers. Let's get started. We will be using ceiling function here. Double click on the ceiling. First, we're going to draw the rectangle ceiling. You may also use the offset if the ceiling is the same distance on all sides. Let's say 300. And if you use the ceiling function on ceiling, you are creating a new layer with 300 thickness. So now we're going to make the first layer, which is 50 mm. So the thickness will be 250. And next, we're going to create the inner fillet. To do so, you can just use a chamfer here. Batch edit means all the corners and then you select inner fillet. If you untick the batch edit, then you can choose only one corner. Okay, let's go back to batch edit and then you can change the radius of the fillet. Let's say we change to 400. Alright, now we have the first layer done. For the second and third layer, we can just use the offset function. Click inside, and let's say we offset 30. Okay, and then we can change the thickness to 200 so that you get a 50 mm layer. Okay, offset again on the third layer. Mm, and then change the thickness to 150. Okay, so now we have all the three layers. Now from the picture here, we can see that there's another layer here, which is the light cove. So to do this, make sure you finish and confirm the design of these three layers first, because the light cove will actually cover up the previous layers that we have done. So first, make sure you click on the innermost layer. Okay, and if you want the same shape of the cove, you can use the offset. Okay, and then you offset outwards. Make sure you drag it outwards. Okay, and then to 60 mm. Okay, which is the same size of the first layer. And then you change the thickness to 100. Then you will get the light cove of 50 mm. Okay. If the light cove is a rectangle, then we delete this. Okay, and then you check the size of the first rectangle. We're going to draw a rectangle with the same size, which is 3060, 3036. Okay. Make sure you click on the innermost layer. Okay, and then you draw a rectangle, and then you change the size. 3060, 3036. Then remember to center align it, and then you change the thickness to 100. Again, you get a 50 mm light cove. Okay, now to add light to the light cove, okay, we go back to the ceiling design. You can click on generate light strip here. Okay, if you don't want the cornice, you can go section edit, free to delete it. Then you only have the light tube. And then you can reposition the light. Okay, you can adjust the light power and color as usual. Alright. If you want to increase the light cove size, you can just change the thickness here. Okay, go back to ceiling design, and let's say we make it 50. You can see that the cove is bigger now. Alright, so that's it for the ceiling design, and now we go for the cornice. As you can see here, the cornice is different thickness here, so we need to do it one by one on each side. Okay, in ceiling design, you click on the side that you want to create the cornice, and then you go to add strip, and then you select a design from the section library, then you just drag it out here. Okay, as you can see, you only create the cornice on one side. Okay, and then you can change the thickness here. Okay, let's do it again on the other side. Click on the side, and you can straight away use the edit here. Okay, it's the same function. Alright, change the material if you want to. Just click on it and choose the material here. Okay, and then you can use the material painter to copy and paste. Okay, so now for the side which is thicker, you can also repeating the same steps. It's just that you need to change the width. Okay, click on the side, edit, drag the design. Okay, and then you change the width now. Okay, the thickness, and then the width. Let's say 200. Okay. So there you have it. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy trying. Bye.